Welcome to the Rome Tech channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you find this information helpful. Today, we're diving into the valuable resources available at MaximizeMySocialSecurity.com. This website offers a wealth of information and tools designed to help you navigate the often complex world of Social Security benefits. Understanding how to optimize your Social Security strategy can significantly impact your retirement income, and this site aims to equip you with the knowledge you need to make informed decisions. MaximizeMySocialSecurity.com provides detailed explanations of various Social Security claiming strategies. They break down complicated topics into easily digestible pieces, covering everything from spousal benefits and survivor benefits to understanding the impact of early or delayed retirement. Whether you're years away from retirement or just around the corner, exploring these strategies can be crucial to maximizing your potential benefits. The site goes beyond basic explanations, offering personalized reports and analyses to help you determine the best course of action based on your individual circumstances. This personalized approach allows you to consider various scenarios and understand the financial ramifications of each choice. By inputting your specific information, you can receive tailored recommendations that take into account your earnings history, marital status, and other relevant factors. This level of customization empowers you to make the most strategic decisions regarding your Social Security benefits. Beyond the personalized reports, MaximizeMySocialSecurity.com offers a range of educational resources, including articles, FAQs, and even access to expert consultations. These resources delve deeper into specific aspects of Social Security, providing a comprehensive understanding of the system and its intricacies. By taking advantage of these resources, you can equip yourself with the knowledge necessary to navigate the complexities of Social Security and ensure you're receiving the maximum benefits you're entitled to. So, be sure to check out MaximizeMySocialSecurity.com and take control of your retirement planning. Remember, understanding your Social Security options is a crucial step towards securing a financially stable future.